gosh. Oh.
Okay, look. Show Cairo.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Cairo ran away.
Oh, he ran away?
Fireworks.
Was it too loud? We went the wrong spot. We should have been in front of the house. You know,
Yeah, then I was like, where are the fireworks?
they were in front of the house. Right there.
Boom.
He ran away.
Man, who's lighting up the fireworks? Who's lighting up the...
Right, I know.
You're overdoing it
Yeah.
this time. Last year they did.
No, last year there was nothing on this side.
It's over there.
Right? Is Cairo there? Really like her. I'm like the poor iguanas, man. Non-stop.
All right, I think that's it. That's it. Yo.
Yeah, that was
You can
good.
see it.
Yeah.